Welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Allure September beauty box. Come along with me, Choco, and I'll open this box and we'll get into what's in store for September. So first, when you open the box, you get some information on everything that is coming with the box, and it gives you all the promo codes, which I will leave in the link below in the description, on all the different codes for the different items that are in the box. So first, let's start out with the Sunday Riley sunscreen, the lighthearted broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. As you can see right there, as I open the information, they say the price point is at $35, and just gonna open it up. It's at $35 for the sunscreen. So it is closed, so it's at night right now, so can't do sunscreen this late. But you wear sunscreen. Wearing sunscreen shouldn't be complicated or chalky. Sunday Riley gets it right with its pink tinted formula that goes on sheer, on fair skin, and on people with deeper skin tones too. Okay, and so it says what they love about the sunscreen is the brand's first sunscreen, aside from its cherry heart theme too. Oh, that's cute. We'll test it out. The hands are the main thing that are outside. This is the complexion of the sunscreen. So it goes in very, very well. Just dissolves into the skin. Doesn't have a scent, so it's nice. I'll use it when I go out into the sun more. So the next item, Alpha H liquid gold with glycerolic acid. This liquid acts like a reset button for your skin. It's spiked with 5% glycerolic acid to dissolve dead skin dead skin cells, and after you dispense a few drops on a cotton pad, it makes your skin look and feel hydrated like a serum or cream. It can go from day to night also, and the boxing is very cute. It's a huge bottle, and this retails for $54, and we're already paying for our Allure box because the box goes for at least, I'm gonna say $24. Let's open it up. sale, which is good. Yeah, it's a liquid. It smells like bubbles. This is weird to think about, but yeah. It's just very liquidy. Just trying to get it under my eyes, which are the main issue and problems areas. But yes, so that is $54, and let's see, it helps alleviate redness and irritation, and if there's like a particularly stubborn post-outbreak dark spots finally faded after using it for about a week as an exfoliator. So I guess the person that is that was researching it are doing the products for it. After they used it for the dark circles, it started to help it to start to fade. That's good to hear. I have dark circles, so I'm gonna be trying to use that a lot. So next, we have the Cure Radically Rejuvenating Dual Phase Buccal Serum. I know I'm saying it wrong, but I'm sorry. And the packaging. And lots of serums. This is cute. Very cute packaging. I don't know if you can see that. So that this is this goes for $19.99. It's a serum that has a retinol alternative for smoothing skin, soothing lines, and minimizing breakouts with less potential for irritation. Can I speak today? So I'm assuming this is like a face oil. But in everything underneath my eyes. But it doesn't feel like regular oils, so to say it's not a face oil. It's just a skin serum. It dissolves into the skin very well. It's not greasy or anything like that. So yes, that goes for $19.99. So next we have the Kneep Relaxing Lavender Mineral Bath Salts. And this is probably wonderful for relaxing baths and everything like that. It goes for $20. It says that it has a capsule, and you'll have a luxurious and calming scent. Not to mention, you get a little quiet when you take a bath. And let's see, yes, it's lavender scented mineral salts, and it is $20. And moving on, I have to take a bath with those and then see how they stack up. So next we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick and trust issues. And this goes for $20. And let's see here. And there's trust issues. Hopefully it gives the color there. My iPhone doesn't pick up small letters very well. This is the Anastasia Trust Issues. Very pretty. Something fell out of it. 1 second. Oh, they have instructions. I appreciate that. Our instructions are, oh, ingredients. Ingredients. So, ooh, wow. This is pigmented. Oh my. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, my lips are gonna be so pretty. And that goes for $20. So let's see. So I have the Believe, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Very cute, small little bingy. This goes for $38. And it's a moisturizing cream. It says, I've lost count of how many times I restock my beloved Believe moisturizer. In the past couple of years, I've gone back to this K-beauty staple over and over again. The light gel-like formula absorbs in seconds, gives skin a rush of hydration, and helps me look smooth. It's got a calming ingredient including collagenol and oat kernel extracts, and the natural lemongrass scent is so soothing. Like, I wish it said, I wish it came in candle form. It's cute. This goes for $38. Let's see. No one knows. It's really nice. It goes into the skin well, and I just put myself in the eye. It's like a regular moisture. I really like that. So that is the last item. So we have the sunscreen. We have the other serum, the Alpha 8 serum. The Allure rejuvenating serum, and the Knip mineral bath salts, And our Anastasia lip gloss, or lipstick, liquid lipstick. Sorry, this is staying out of the box. I'm gonna be using this. But yeah, that is everything for the September Allure beauty box. And I want to thank everyone for watching. I hope to see you again soon, and I hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are. Be safe. Hope to see you again. Also, please, if you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below, and hopefully I will see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.